Hey guys, so we tried class recording today and it ended up not actually recording anything. So I'm going to make 2 or 3 shorter videos just to kind of go over everything we did on the first day of class, and I will get these posted as soon as I can. First thing you need to do is make sure that you've printed the syllabus off the Blackboard and go through and read everything and make sure that if you have any questions you let me know. So a lot of this is familiar. I'll let you look over it, but I just want to point out a couple of things. So I'm going to flip through. Here we have some required material. So you do need a big 3-ring binder, right? A 3-inch 3-ring binder, a packet of 8 tabs. You will need a protractor, a ruler, scissors, and then either markers or colored pencils. If you took 1350 here at ASU within the last 1.5 to 2 years, you should already have MyMathLab access. If not, you will have to purchase that, and you need the 1351 lab manual, which is available only at the ASU bookstore. Since you guys are doing online, some of the technology requirements you will need will be the ability to scan documents as a PDF and upload to Gradescope. Access to a computer, printer, and webcam, especially for exams, and then reliable internet access. Alright, so you guys are going to take exams through Blackboard on a thing called Respondus Lockdown Browser. So what this does is you're going to take the test and it's going to record you taking the test so that I will be watching you guys at the same time everybody else is taking the test. This does require a desktop computer or laptop. It does not work with a Chromebook. So if you have a Chromebook, you may want to see if you can borrow a laptop for the test. And you do have to have a webcam. So later on this semester, we're going to do sort of a practice test and Respondus just to make sure that everything's working the way that it should. But we'll do that a little bit in the future. It is really important, since you're online, you need to check your ASU email probably several times a day through the work week and make sure that you're keeping up with correspondence from teachers. All right, grading, everything's 20%. Each exam is 20%. I'll let you read over that. And so let me flip over to in-class grades. So since you guys are not going to be here, each day in Blackboard, it's going to give you instructions on what to do to get your 100 for your class grade. So today we're going to fill out the ratio and proportion notes on our next video, and then you're going to email me a picture of those filled out, and then I'll know that you participated and I'll give you 100 for that day. Centers are going to be done a little differently. A lot of the centers are going to be cut completely. The ones that I do set up, I will post pictures so that you can look at the pictures and do those activities at home. Alright, homework is in 2 formats. We have the online assignments that they'll be done through MyMathLab. So on Blackboard, you'll click on the tab that says MyMathLab Homework, and that's how you'll get to those. Any assignments from the lab manual, you're going to complete in the lab manual, and then you're going to upload to Gradescope. Now, if you were in 1350 last semester when everything hit with COVID-19, you've probably already done this. This is kind of a big thing, is learning how to upload and submit to Gradescope. So I may try to make a video just for that as well, but you're going to click on the Gradescope link in Blackboard, and that will take you directly to the Gradescope page. If you have not ever set up an account, you will need to set one up, but your username does need to be your ASU email because you are already enrolled. And that's what we used as your username. All right, and there is a tutorial under resources. So I'm going to look under resources. I think it says resources and videos. So this is where you're going to go to look at some information on Gradescope. So there's really 2 parts. One is the ability to scan your documents as a PDF. So if you have a scanner, that's probably the easiest way to do it, but if you don't, there's some information on a handout that shows you how to do it on your phone. All right, once you get it saved as a PDF on your computer, then there's a video that shows you how to upload it to Gradescope. So make sure you've looked over that. All homework is going to be due at 10 p.m. All right, you're also going to set up your portfolio just like you did in Math 1350. So here is what you're going to put on your 8 tabs. The only difference between this and 1350 is there is no test 4. So the one that said test 4 material, if you change it to miscellaneous, then you will have all your tabs correct. Then go ahead and make your title page, and you're going to set this up just like you did in 1350 so that you've got everything inside your binder. One thing you don't have to do is you don't have to print the journal articles. So if you look at handout 1 in the lab manual, you will see a grading rubric. Let me see if I can find that real quick. I know I brought it up here, but now I can't find it. So I'm not going to take a grade on this semester, but if you look at the grading rubric, nope, I lost it. It'll kind of tell you how to set up your lab manual. And so you'll follow the directions on handout 1, but don't print the journal articles. If we end up using one, we'll print it at that time, but we're not going to worry about it right now. Okay, so that will just help you get your portfolio set up. All right, and then I will let you read everything else on here. If you go to the very last page, oh look, I found it. There is handout 1, the portfolio check. So this, if you just kind of read through it, it'll let you know how to set everything up for your portfolio, and we are skipping the journal articles. All right, so no wonder I couldn't find it. It was hiding in his syllabus. All right, last page is the course schedule. So the big thing to look at are the exam dates. Those are the dates that you are going to need to be available during class to take your exams. Okay, so more information on that as we get closer to our first exam. All right, so that takes care of the syllabus. I'll make another video with our notes for today.